Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Vince. Thanks for joining me. And today we are talking about grilling basics. Just in case the next family reunion is in your backyard, hopefully, this is a little something that will help you out. So, we're going to talk about grill safety and how to use your charcoal grill, especially. And so, that's what we're going over a charcoal grill. All right, so no matter what type of grill that you have, they have the same design. You have air vents or dampers on your grill that will control your airflow. The wider the dampers open, the more air lets in, the hotter the fire. If you don't have a thermometer built in, purchase you a thermometer, an oven thermometer that will help you with the internal temperature of your grill. On the inside, you have your basic cooking surface. Um, this is our cooking surface, top and bottom. We also have this is our charcoal chimney, and this is what we use to start our flames. I'll give you a quick demonstration in a second. We have a charcoal tray, which we sit our burning charcoals on. It has holes in it, so the charcoal ash falls through. We also have a door on this grill, so we have more. If we want to keep cooking without taking our food off, we can just add more charcoal to keep our fire going. We have an ash tray. Our ash falls through the holes on our charcoal tray. It falls here, we catch it. Be sure to dump this after every use. We don't want our charcoal to build up with grease, and it's the perfect environment for a grease fire. A couple of other handy tools that I like to keep are a long handle spatula, a good wire grill brush, and a meat thermometer to make sure our food is cooked to the proper internal temperature. A lot of times we'll go, oh, it's done, it looks done, but our food can be not rare in the middle, but still raw. So we want to have a thermometer to make sure our food is cooked to a safe temperature. All right, lastly but not least, another handy tool I like to use are grill mats. Now, grill mats are perfect if you have vegetables that you don't want to fall through the grates. This is a great tool, sits right on top of the surface. Doesn't burn, doesn't get messed up. It's disposable. You can use it a couple times. It's a nifty little thing they came up with. All right, and that's our basic design for almost all charcoal grills. So let's talk fuel. What we'll be using to cook our food with on our charcoal grill. So we have lump charcoal, which comes actually in a variety of sizes and pieces in the bag. And the thing with lump charcoal is that it burns hot, but it burns fast. So the fire for this won't last very long, but it'll be hot, but it won't last very long. And for charcoal briquettes, the size is a little more uniform. They burn a little more consistent, and if you need to cook for a longer period of time, briquettes is probably your preferred method. So we're going to use briquettes, and we're going to use our charcoal chimney. I'm going to pour some in there. So to light our charcoal, you have the option of using something called tumbleweeds, the little bundles that you light them. They burn, like the charcoal. You can use a couple pieces of newspaper that you put on the bottom of your charcoal chimney. Put it in and we are just going to light this. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to light our paper. We're going to fold the paper loosely inside the chimney. The paper will catch on fire, burn, and it'll ignite the charcoal. Then we'll just take the charcoal, dump it on our charcoal tray, and we're good to go. So our charcoal is nice and hot. Now our charcoal chimney has a safety shield, has a handle. If you're not comfortable, get yourself a heat retardant glove to grab your handle with. But as you can see, it's not so hot and kind of used to it. We're going to pour our charcoal on one half of the grill. We're going to kind of set up our zone cooking. So we're going to carefully pour our charcoal in, nice and hot. All right, boom. And so that amount of charcoal should be okay for if you're cooking some burgers and franks or something, should be no problem. So we're going to put our grates on. It's not hot. It's not hot, no worries. We're going to close the grill. Let the grill grates get hot. It's best to clean your grill grates when the grill is hot. So we're going to let that warm up some 5 minutes or so. Give our grill a good cleaning, and then we'll be ready to cook. All right, so our temperature on our grill is about 350, 400. So we're going to give our grill a good scrub. Get all of the leftovers off. All right, before you put on your burgers, your hot dogs, or your chicken, take a paper towel and some oil, coat your grill grates a little bit so your food doesn't stick. We're ready to cook. So we're gonna get this chicken and these steaks. We're gonna throw this on the grill, have some good eating right here. Listen, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video and that it's helpful, and we'll see you next time.